My name is Mithra and this is the College Buddy Support. So I've noticed that a lot of people struggle due to the difficulty of choosing a future career because there's so many colleges and options. And with that, the high college cost of college, scholarships, and acceptance concerns. And this is one I relate to myself. The information overload when comparing colleges and their requirements. I know this is real because of my survey that has shown me that many students struggle with finding the right college due to the lack of guidance and resources. So these are my survey results. And then in the first screenshot, you can see that 76% of students did struggle with finding a college for them. And then in the second screenshot you see here, a lot of students did say that the college counselor did not help. I'd like to clarify this by saying in the detailed explanation, a lot of them said they didn't have the access to one. And in the third image, a lot of people said that they did get over this issue as we expected with a large audience, but there's also a lot of people saying that they constantly do face this issue still. My solution. So in my app, I have an AI-powered chat feature providing personalized college guidance for students, as well as an interactive quiz that works with the chat option, allowing the AI agent to provide flexible, personalized recommendations to help the student. Why now? As you know, every year there are hundreds and millions of students that go to college or going to attend college, and planning for it can be very difficult. So the use of AI can make this easier for students. And in my app, the AI agent helps provide personalized guidance to help find students the right college for them. So here's my app demo. Here's some screenshots. In the first screenshot you see here, the blue text is me. I ask a question and it provides answers, and at the bottom it provides resources and links where it pulled and gave me this answer from. And the second screenshot, you can see the survey feature. There's a total of 19 questions that are tailored to college, like career interests. You can see some of the options in this screenshot. And then the third one, this is a part of the survey. So at the very end, it curates you the best options of college and it filters out and it tells you like about what percent matches to your interests and needs. Marketing opportunities. My ideal customers are high school students ages 14 through 18 who have the overwhelming feeling by the process to find a college and the guidance. I'll reach them through social media promotions, posters, school partnerships, sharing the idea with friends and family, and promoting at local events and fundraisers. My business and revenue model. My pricing will be a subscription-based payment with different tiers, with the baseline of $99 per month. My key cost in my app will be building it, marketing materials, and improving the app in the future. I would say my app stands out for being affordable and providing personalized guidance to students that need to find a college that best suits their interests and needs. I would say that my application compared to others is flexible with the two options with the chat and the survey feature. I built this using V0 and later used Cursor for the bigger features. I also used ChatGPT and Gemini to refine my prompts. What's next? What feedback did you receive so far? To create an easy app with tools that can help students a lot and keeping it affordable and accessible for everyone to use. Do I want to continue working on this? The answer will always be yes. This is something I see myself also using in the future, and I want to provide others with tools to grow and succeed as well. What do you need to continue building this? I need advancing technology and a better understanding of users' needs and support to continue improving my app and adding new features. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mithra. And I'm guessing, Amanda, you're going to have a question because this is very close to what you do. So I'll start it off with you.
Correct. Yes, great job. Okay, so my first question is who pays the $9.99 a month?
So that would be the customers that start going off of the out like want to upgrade from the premium subscript the free subscription and want to have like more options to use the app.
So it would be the individual students.
Yes.
Got it. Have you thought at all about using like having colleges and universities advertise within the platform, or do you think that that would take away some of the students really getting the choice in the matter?
So I would say that it would be kind of both. The students do get to pick, but I would like to in the future, if it's very successful, to get other colleges to advertise so I can promote it to more students.
Great. Thank you. Good job.
Yamini and Arizu.
Okay, I can go. Sorry. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much, Mithra, for this demo. I think this is a wonderful idea to have, kind of a college counselor like side buddy that you can chat with, to understand if you're getting the required guidance. This is pretty cool. My question was, since this is targeting high school students, right? Is this app supposed to give them a path to help them with, hey, these are my grades for the year, this is what my interests are, and kind of and then help them with how would they actually build a portfolio for an aspirational college? Or is it going to tell them, based on what you have right now and what your aspirations are, these are the aspirational college, these are the colleges you should be applying to? So I wasn't sure which how this app was going to help the students directly. Could you help clarify that, please?
So basically, you would give it like all your scores and stuff that you received in high school and all your like interests and preferences for a specific college, and it would recommend you colleges that you could apply for based off
I
of
see.
your opinions.
I see, I see, I see, I see. And if I say, okay, you know what, these are my list of colleges, but this is the college I would love to, this is my dream college, would it be able to tune and tell me, hey, you may want to consider taking these electives, or, you may want to consider doing something here, right, to be able to boost your chances. Have you considered, doing a reverse analysis of your score to help you, kind of direct you to the right college? Have you thought about that?
I think that'll be something I'll start building on the future.
Okay, awesome, awesome. Thank you, Mitra.
Arizu?
Nice job, Mitra. I actually have a 14-year-old boy, and I went on your app and I started searching for what would be the right college for him. And I realized that your app is not there yet, but it's a very, very useful solution that you have built. A couple of questions. One is about your business model. So you have a monthly charge of $9.99 per student, right?
Yep.
And the student, buys it and then they pick their college. And then what happens? You lose that student. So with that, have you considered, again, building on Amanda's thought, working with universities to reverse the business model? Because universities always have fresh students. You lose this student, you get more students from the next batch. Have you considered that?
I have. That's like my main idea to make a profit. I know for a fact that eventually students at one point will stop using it, but there's always the opportunity that more students who are in high school will new batch of students will use this app and continue to grow the profit.